how to add 45-second long video on WhatsApp status. Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you the ways to add 45-second video on WhatsApp status. Now WhatsApp has a duration limit for status videos, typically around 30 seconds. If your video is longer, you'll need to trim it before uploading. So you can use a video editing app to shorten the video to fit within the allowed duration, and then you can easily upload it as your WhatsApp status. So for that case, you can go ahead and install a third-party application. Go ahead and open up your Play Store, and then on the search box type in video splitter for WhatsApp. So when you locate the following app, then click the install button and wait for the application to be installed. After, go ahead and select video import video, and select the video that you wish to add it. So in my case, you can see this is the particular video that I wish to add it, and here you can go ahead and select split video, and you can just go ahead and customize it or all of that, maximize, minimize time and all that. And that's how you can add 45-second video on WhatsApp status. So that's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.